Well, Iowa's governor and legislators promising the fight over abortion isn't over. What could happen next? Local 5's Dana Searles joins us from the State House to walk us through any legal avenues they may have moving forward.
Yeah, Stephanie, Governor Reynolds isn't able to file an appeal on this case again. However, some lawmakers think that she may be starting from scratch on this one by taking her efforts to curb abortion access back to the State House.
The law still holds true here in Iowa. Those seeking an abortion have until 20 weeks of pregnancy to have the procedure done. But with so much back and forth from 6 weeks to 20 weeks to a 24-hour wait period, Iowans wonder what could change next and how.
It's entirely possible that we could have a special session to try to push through some other extreme anti-abortion, anti-reproductive rights legislation. We also have a constitutional amendment that's in process that would move through this session and go on the ballot in 2024. And this would be the first time that we'd have a change to our state constitution that would take away rights. It would say what rights Iowans do not have, which is really antithetical to our constitution. It's all about granting rights.
Now, with no room for appeal, a new plan of action will have to be taken.
The precedenda will issue in about 21 days, and it will go back to the lower court with the court upheld. That lower court upheld, that's the end, should be the end of this case. There's no federal question for them to bring to the U.S. Supreme Court. It's really pure Iowa Constitution and Iowa procedure. So
lawmakers are looking to what is next and what that will look like.
Obviously, new legislation can be introduced, and that's why trying to really understand some of the opinions of the justice is extremely important. Trying to read in what they're saying is what's the best go-forward piece of legislation? Where do they leave some opportunity for us? Where do we need to coalesce around as a group?
And despite the overturning of Roe v. Wade, sometimes federal decisions won't impact state decisions.
You know, overturning Roe v. Wade has really left the people of the states at the mercy of their state governments. And for so long, people haven't been paying attention to what happens at the state level. It's very, very important who you elect at every level, in every office, because all of those decisions matter, and we see that more now than ever.
Now, Governor Reynolds says she is reviewing her options in preparation for continuing this fight, and we did reach out to the Senate Republicans. However, they said they did not want to comment any further on this. Stephanie?